Can you see yourself in the 2019 Honda CR-V? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.